Hello students, how are you all? Hope you are fine and safe at home. I am Manju Malik. Welcome you to this online class of Moral Science for class 7. Topic of today's presentation is Yoga, the complete fitness routine. Lesson 1 of your Moral Science book, Abiding Values. Moral, mental and physical development makes a human being complete. A disciplined mind and body helps in bringing about a harmonious improvement to one's personality and character. The ancient Indian system of yoga provides a variety of mental and physical exercises which are greatly relevant even in modern times. Yoga nowadays is being taken up as the routine life support system in natural forms in all over the world. Yoga means submission, is a means of connecting our minds and bodies with the one supreme power which controls the universe. Yoga is tuning and merging our beings with the various elements that make life possible and with nature in its various forms. Yoga consists of numerous well-defined postures or asanas. Each asana connects us with a specific form of life, drawing energy and sustenance from it, and it strengthens our mind and body. We shall discuss some simple but very effective asanas here. The first one is Padmasana, the lotus posture. This is a meditative posture resembling an upside down lotus. Sit with your back and head erect in a cross-legged position. The soles of your feet should be turned upward and heels pressed against the lower abdomen. Keep your eyes closed. Your hands should be on your knees with the palms up. The tip of the index finger and thumb should be together. The benefits of Padmasana. This asana promotes mental balance and harmony. It helps create an inner peace and develops one's power of concentration and self-analysis. Matsyasana, the fish posture. This is essentially a stretching posture which exercises almost all the body muscles and organs. Sit in Padmasana and bend backwards. Put the elbows on the floor to support yourself. Bend the body till the head touches the floor. Lift your neck and chest, arcing the body upwards. Boost the back curvature by holding your left toe with your right hand and your right toe with your left hand. The benefits of Matsyasana. This asana stimulates the muscles and the abdominal organs. It also strengthens the nervous system, kidneys, stomach and intestine. It is very helpful in asthma and fatigue. Marjarayasana, the cat posture. This is a breathing exercise which also strengthens the abdominal muscles. Position yourself on all fours on the floor. Keep your hands and knees aligned with the hips and shoulders. Keep your back flat and stomach firm. Straighten the neck and head as you look down toward the floor. Inhale deeply. Then exhale and arch the back by drawing in the stomach and putting your chin down to the chest. Resume the flat back posture. The benefits of Marjariyasana. It creates a supple spine, purifies the blood, relieves back pain, relaxes the arms, neck, shoulders and abdominal area. Vrikshasana, the tree posture, is one of the important asanas. It is in harmony with tree life. This is a breathing cum stretching routine in which you hold the body like a tree. Stand straight. The feet should be joined together. Legs straight. Arms on either side. Lift the right leg, bending it at the knee. Grasp your ankle with both hands and pull the right leg up. Rest the right foot on the upper part of the left thigh. Balance your body on the left leg. Join the palms of both hands in front of your chest. Inhale slowly and raise both hands gradually above the head. Relax and lower the right leg. Repeat the routine with the other leg. This Vrikshasana is very beneficial in rheumatic pain. It strengthens ligaments of feet, tendons and arches and tones the leg muscles also. Garudasana, the eagle posture, in harmony with bird life. This exercise combines stretching, contortion and breathing. Stand with the feet together and arms by your sides. Pull the left foot upward, bending the knee. Fold the left foot around the right leg and rest the back of the left thigh on the right thigh. Cross the left elbow over the right one, as you can see in the picture. Join the palms together. Inhale deeply and maintain the posture. Exhale and repeat the posture on the opposite side. The benefits of Garudasana. It improves balance and strengthens ankles, knees and legs. It is also very helpful in improving concentration and it calms the mind also. Surya Namaskar, salute to the sun. It is very important asana. The benefits of Surya Namaskar are numerous. It helps in better functioning of the body and mental faculties. The postures of Surya Namaskar are a right blend of warm-ups and asanas. It helps to keep you disease-free and healthy. Regular practice promotes balance in the body. It improves blood circulation and strengthens the heart. It stimulates abdominal muscles, respiratory system, lymphatic system, spinal nerves, and other internal organs. It tones the spine, neck, shoulder, arms, hands, wrist, back, and leg muscles, thereby promoting overall flexibility in the body. Psychologically, it regulates the interconnectedness of body, breath, and mind. So it helps in making you calmer and it boosts the energy level also. So the ancient system of yoga is a unique way of exercises involving mind, body, and moral values of an individual, and is a powerful way of enriching our personality and character. So, let us conclude the benefits of asanas. It improves muscle tone, flexibility, strength, and stamina of the body. It helps in easy movement of the body. It tones all the organs of the body. It aids in blood circulation in the body. It stimulates immune system and helps us to keep the body disease free. It lowers blood pressure and cholesterol. It helps in reducing the fat. It helps in improving the breathing. It reduces stress and tension. It improves concentration and creativity. It creates sense of well-being and calmness. It boosts self-esteem. It elevates the mind and provides us peace of mind. It creates spiritual sentiment. So, yoga is very beneficial for us and we should practice yoga every day. Thank you.